Explosivo review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art and this is my Explosivo review. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about Explosivo. So we're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, all of the upsells, and I have some exclusive bonuses. No one else will give it to you, and they are worth $225. Okay, so let's just jump into it. But before, let me tell you everything about the method. Okay, so essentially what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be putting up Instagram posts and you're gonna force your posts to go viral. Okay, so obviously free Instagram traffic is amazing. First of all, because it's free. Second of all, people are very engaged on Instagram, and every single person that puts up a post on Instagram wants to go viral. Okay, so I don't know if you see it. If you're just gonna type in "make money online," what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the top posts, and the top posts are essentially getting the most likes, the most comments, the most engagement. Okay, so this is how Instagram sorts this out. So essentially, if you have more likes and comments and engagements on your posts, you're gonna rank higher. And like, you know, if you're gonna look for any hashtag, normally how Instagram works is it ranks it this way. So what Will did, he's essentially making sure that his posts are going viral, and he does a couple of different things to just get done that initial engagement in. And then what he does is essentially he forces the post to go viral, then he catches all this traffic and he redirects it to offers. You know, he has a full sequence of how he's doing it, but essentially he's making money from free Instagram posts. And it's amazing. Instagram is only getting bigger and bigger, and I'm just going to show you the whole thing. Okay, so let's just jump in it. Let me share my screen with you, and let me show you the sales page first. So as you can see, it says Explosivo. Newbie banks $50 to $100 a day with this new method and traffic source you want in. No email list required, no mind-numbing work, no tech skills required. This $100 a day system is very newbie friendly. So this is Bill. I don't know if you know, I've probably mentioned this in my previous videos and reviews. Bill is my internet marketing coach. I actually joined his internet marketing group back in, I think, 2014 or 2015, and he essentially took me from making like $2,000 or $3,000 per month to $10,000 plus. So you know, anything from Bill is always of high quality. I'm the prime example of, you know, that the stuff that he is teaching absolutely works. So he is actually, you can see my testimonial right here. So he's teaming up with Simple Spencer and Will Weatherly. Will is the guy behind the product, so he essentially came up with this method, and Bill and Spencer are just helping him to launch this product. I've launched some products with Spencer as well. So three amazing marketers, an amazing method, and this will absolutely work for you. So Will has recent proof of this working. As you can see, anywhere from $50 to $100. So you won't become a millionaire. You know, Will is still a newbie, but he figured out how to make $50 to $100 per day with this, and this is something that you can implement very easily and make some money with it. Explosivo, again, this is the name of the course, and this is my Explosivo review. So let's just scroll through this. Obviously gonna get a 30-day money back guarantee. Some more testimonials here. And that's essentially, this is what you'll see on the sales page, and the members area looks like this. So again, Explosivo members area, we have the overview video right here, then we have the visual introduction to the Explosivo system. So as you can see, you're gonna be getting essentially traffic from Instagram. You put up a post, you force this post to go viral, and then you know, you have a lead magnet. You can retarget people in a bunch of different ways. You can add email marketing to it, then you add more value, and essentially you are in the end promoting something and making money. So this is a full sequence. You know, I'm not going to show you all of it right now. You know, you're gonna have to get the course to see it, but this is essentially how it works. You know, you get free traffic from Instagram, your posts are going viral, and the cool thing about, you know, getting viral traffic is that you never know if you're gonna get 1,000 visitors, 10,000 visitors, 100,000 visitors, or maybe even 1,000,000 visitors. You know, the thing about going viral is that it can get really viral, and you can get millions of people and millions of eyeballs on your offer. So that's the second video. Third video, creating a lead magnet using Pinterest. Video 4, demo of a lead magnet video presentation. Video 5, notes on the demo video. Video 6, YouTube thumbnail creation for your video. Video 7, getting the lead magnet on your website. Video 8, landing page and bridge page setup. Then we have automated bridge page, no face on camera, so obviously you don't have to film yourself if you don't want to, if your camera shy or something. Then that's additional training, so you can do this or not, but you also get Google Ads and Facebook Ads remarketing walkthrough. So, you know, if you want to make even more money down the road, you can add this to it. Email follow-up sequence, creating the Instagram post, posting on Instagram and how to post from your laptop, on ordering Instagram mentions and where to buy an aged account. So that's additional. Obviously you can just use your own account, but you know, if you want to get more traffic with mentions and if you want to you know, get just sort of more social proof by having an aged account, you can do this as well. Creating the Instagram story ad, setting up an Instagram story ad campaigns on Facebook ads. Case study, very cool. Blasting forward your with Explosivo. So this is what you are getting, and a couple of bonuses as well, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of it. Okay, but before I'm going to show you my bonuses, let's just go through the Explosivo funnel. So as you can see, the main product will be $8, super crazy low, and I told these guys they should charge at least, I don't know, $13, $17, $20 for it, but the early bird price, as you can see, is $8, but the price will be going up, so make sure to pick it up as soon as it goes live for just $8. The end price will be $13. Okay, so you can snatch it for, it will actually be $7.95, not $8. So crazy low price on this, and essentially you can make this money back with just one affiliate sale promoting something, you know, something that is not very expensive. So super low price on this one. Then we have OTO number 1, $27, and this is a super simple $300 a day method. So this is actually something that they've been selling for $97, but you're getting a 70% discount if you are a Explosivo buyer. So that's OTO number 1, $27. OTO number 2, $47, and this is full resale rights to Explosivo. So essentially you are getting 100% commissions on Explosivo and the whole funnel. Okay, so that's $47. OTO number 3, that's $197, and what you're gonna get right here is the Stealth 10K Ninja. So this is a proven and tested 10K per month system, and again, normally these guys are charging $297 for this, but you can snatch it with a $100 off for Explosivo customers only. So this is actually something that they've been selling on webinars for much more than this, I think. So that's $197. And the last OTO number 4, $27, and this will be simple buyers list method, and essentially they're gonna teach you how to build a responsive buyers list without creating a product. Okay, so these are the OTOs. Obviously the OTOs are optional. You know, you'll be fine with the main product alone, but if you want to make more money with these methods, then by all means you can pick up one or two or all of them or none. Totally up to you. And again, the price on this is just $8. It's crazy low, so just make sure to pick it up with an early bird discount. And if you will, I'm going to give you all of these bonuses. Okay, so you are actually getting 17 additional W's of the Day awarded courses from me. Okay, crazy bonus, and I guarantee you no one else will have such a big bonus. Okay, so Profit Vortex, that's W's of the Day number 1, Unbreakable W's of the Day number 2, then we got Atomic Profits, Holiday Gold Rush, Reactor, the Milkit Method, Laptop Legacy, The List Mastery, Poolside Profits, Newbie Traffic Formula, Easy Profit Secrets, 6 Minutes Profits, Traffic Titan, Pinnacle, Traffic Problem Solved, Quick Affiliate Sniper, and Explode Your List. So you're getting all 17 of these bonuses. All of these are currently selling for between $10 and $17, so this is a total of $225 in real value. If you would like to spend your money on it, you're getting all of it for free, just as a thank you for picking up Explosivo today through my link. And Explosivo will be going live today on the 1st of June at 10 a.m. Eastern. Happy Children's Day, by the way. So I hope you see the power behind it. I hope you see that the price here is super crazy low. So you know, $8 is not really an investment. It's like a slice of pizza or like a big Starbucks coffee. So you can get a business in a box essentially for just $8. You're gonna get all of the bonuses, which is so crazy. You know, I'm giving you 17 bonuses, and you know, that's it. Pick it up at 10 a.m. Eastern with an early bird discount when it goes live. If you're watching on YouTube, please give this video a like, please give it a share, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And I will be seeing you on at 10 a.m. Eastern when it goes live, and in the next video as well. Ciao, see ya.